Well, I have bought the Honor 100 Pro and Meizu 21, especially for this comparative review. This comparison will be very interesting. Before diving into the specification of each phone's drawbacks, it's important to note that both Meizu 21 and Honor 100 Pro are considered high-end smartphones with impressive features. However, no phone is perfect, and understanding the downside of each models can help you to make an informed decision. This is Honor 100 Pro and it equipped 50 megapixel in front camera, but in Meizu 21 it equipped 32 megapixel in front camera. And there is a bit different in front camera recording. When you are recording in Honor 100 Pro, you have two options: 0.8x, this is ultra wide, and you can zoom in while recording. And Meizu doesn't offer ultra wide. This is just they are offering 1x. This is a result, and both phone offers 4K 30 FPS. One of the disadvantages of the Meizu 21 is the absence of wireless charging. While Meizu 21 boasts fast 100-watt wired charging, it lacks wireless charging functionality. This can be inconvenience for users who prefer the ease and convenience of placing their phone on a charging pad. Lower screen resolution compared to Honor 100 Pro's 2700 by 1224 resolution. Meizu's 21's 2340 by 1080p resolution might appear slightly less sharper, especially for users who prioritize high-definition content consumption. Honor 100 Pro disadvantage is lower processor performance. Despite being powerful, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 in the Honor 100 Pro falls slightly behind the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 found in the Meizu 21 in terms of benchmark scores. This difference might be noticeable for users engaged in demanding tasks like intensive gaming or video editing. I have picked 4K 30 FPS in both phones for video recording from back camera, and this is 0.7x. Both phones have 0.7x ultra wide and then 1x. Honor 100 Pro has 3x and Meizu 21 has 2x. There's a big differ in the quality. Honor 100 Pro shows better quality in video, and then both phones can zoom till 10x. Wow, Honor 100 Pro stands out, really. Meizu needs to improve in video quality, really. The camera department is where things get interesting. The Honor 100 is equipped with a 50 megapixel Sony IMX906 primary sensor with OIS and a 12 megapixel sensor with an ultra wide angle lens with 32 megapixel telephoto lens supporting 2.5x optical zoom. For selfies and video calls, there's a 50 megapixel Sony IMX816 sensor at the front. The Meizu 21 has a triple rear camera unit comprising a 200 megapixel primary camera, 13 megapixel ultra wide angle sensor, and a 5 megapixel telephoto lens. For selfies and video chats, there is a 32 megapixel front facing camera. Honor 100 Pro offers an eco leather variant, which gives the phone a dual tone and enhances the overall appearance. And Meizu 21 should not say both phones have an aluminum frame. In fact, the Meizu 21's entire body is aluminum, providing a frosted feel in the hand, but Honor 100 Pro have 20% plastic and 80% aluminum frame. Both phones have an IR blaster, a microphone, a Type-C charging port, and a SIM card tray, and stereo dual speaker as well. The Meizu 21 has an IP54 dust and waterproof build, but Honor 100 Pro does not offer any kind of IP rating, and both phones offer an in-display fingerprint sensor. The colors and contrast are crisp, and the screen's FHD Plus resolution provides a decent viewing experience. The Meizu 21 features a 6.55-inch OLED flat panel with a 1080p resolution, boasting a 1800 nit peak brightness and a 120 Hz refresh rate, and HDR10+. On the other hand, the Honor 100 Pro comes with a 6.78-inch curved display, giving it a premium feel. The display offers a 1.5K resolution, a 120Hz refresh rate, and 3840Hz PWM dimming. For outdoor usage, users can rely on the 2600 nits peak brightness. Additionally, Honor SS Eye Protection Screen and TUV Handland Global certification. Additionally, Honor is equipped with a wide area stainless steel Bionic VC for ultra-high thermal conductivity at 5472 mm2. Honor 100 Pro has a bigger battery, 5000 mAh, with 100-watt Honor supercharge support. Also features 66-watt wireless. On the other hand, the Meizu 21 is equipped with a 4800 mAh battery and supports 80-watt fast charging. However, there is no wireless charging capability in the Meizu 21. Well, the Antutu score shows a significant difference between the both phones. As a foreigner, we often check whether the phone supports Google Play service. Both phones, Meizu 21 and Honor 100 Pro, indeed support Google Play services. And when it comes to play high graphic games like PUBG, both phones deliver excellent performance. The only drawback of the Honor 100 Pro is the lack of an updated chipset, but it still competes well with the Meizu 21. Moreover, the Honor 100 Pro comes at a better price point, with a basic variant 12GB RAM, 256GB internal storage, costing 3400 yuan, approximately 477 USD. In comparison, the Meizu 21's basic variant 8GB RAM, 256GB internal storage is priced as the same at 3400 yuan. Share your thoughts with us about which phone you think is better. I have taken some photos and videos from both phones. Please make your decision after seeing them. Thank you for watching this video and I will see you in the next video. Please enjoy the photos and videos. Bye. Now I'm recording videos from back camera. Both phones have 4K 30 and 60 FPS and I'm recording at 30 FPS. And this is 0.7x ultra wide and now is 1x. Now is 1x and 2x and this is 2x. The result looks better in Honor 100 Pro. And now this is 3x and now this is 3x in Meizu 21. And when we go into deeper, oh gosh, Honor 100 Pro stands out. Cool. Let me show you the running results. How works the stabilization in these phones? Now I'm recording video from front camera. Both phones have 4K 30 FPS and Honor 100 Pro has one more advantage. It has 0.8x in front camera. So this is 0.8x and this is 1x. And now it's night time, so the quality result is, I think, better in Honor 100 Pro. Let me show you the running results. How is the stabilization? So this is the front camera selfie video result.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, okay.